Here is exactly how to connect Shopify with AliExpress. The first thing you need to understand is that Shopify and AliExpress do not have a direct built-in integration where you press a single button and sync a product catalog. The connection happens through a third-party app called a dropshipping tool. The most common option is DSers, which is the official AliExpress dropshipping partner. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for DSers, and install it on your store. Once installed, you will be prompted to create a DSers account or login if you already have one. This account acts as the bridge between your Shopify admin panel and your AliExpress supplier accounts. After linking your DSers account to Shopify, you need to install the DSers browser extension on Google Chrome. This extension is how you physically grab products from the AliExpress website. Browse AliExpress as you normally would, looking for products with high ratings and reliable shipping times. When you find a product you want to sell, click the DSers icon in your browser extensions bar, or simply click the blue Add to DSers button that the extension overlays directly on the AliExpress product page. This action pulls the product images, variants, and descriptions into your DSers pending list. Do not stop here. You must manually edit the title, description, and pricing in the DSers dashboard to remove obvious AliExpress branding and to set your retail margin before pushing it to your Shopify store. Once the product is edited in DSers, you click the button that says Push to Shopify, and the product will appear live in your Shopify catalog. This connection is not just for importing, it is essential for order fulfillment. When a customer buys the product on your Shopify store, the order will appear in the Awaiting Order tab of your DSers dashboard. You must click the Order button here. This triggers DSers to communicate with AliExpress and automatically place the order on your behalf using the customer's shipping details. It copies the shipping address, selects the correct variant, and processes the payment using a wallet you have preloaded in DSers or by linking your credit card directly. The final step in the connection is automating the payment and tracking sync. In the DSers settings, link your AliExpress account or set up a default payment card so you do not have to manually type in credit card numbers for every single order. When the AliExpress supplier ships the item, a tracking number is generated. DSers listens for this update and pulls the tracking number into Shopify, which marks the order as fulfilled and sends the shipping confirmation email to your customer automatically. This entire loop, from importing a product with the browser extension to the automatic shipping update, represents the full connection between your Shopify store and the AliExpress marketplace.